Alright, today I'm going to be jointing up a bunch of the thinner boards that I have with this joiner sled that I made in my previous video. Got a whole bunch of thin boards I'm going to be used for flooring in my shed that I'm building. This is only going to get me maybe 2-3 foot worth of flooring, but so here we go. Alright, now that we got the one side jointed, I'm going to go ahead and run through and get my final dimensions. It's going to be going below carpet out in a shed that really doesn't matter, you know, so they don't have to be perfect, but I would like to get them as jointed as possible. I think this is going to work out alright. So now I need to go take it out to my shed, measure it all up, cut the boards, and nail it down. What I did right there will get me about 2.5–3 foot of flooring done, and I've got a total of 10 foot, so I have a few more boards I need to mill up, but it should turn out alright. I've already got the subfloors in there. I was originally going to go with oak flooring, so I got a bunch of oak slats, and just decided that I think they're starting out at just under an inch, and by the time I could plane them all down, we're sitting at the same thickness as what I am with these slats here. So I'm just going to go ahead and save that oak for something else, better projects, and it's going to get covered up by some carpeting anyway. Alright, I'm going to end up doing some more cutting here, and catch you later. Hope you enjoyed the video today. If you liked the video, like, subscribe. Thank you.